Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to use labels and how to search labels in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. Okay, and if this is your first time here, you might want to click on the create an account button. And from here, all you're gonna do is provide your work email, or to simplify the whole process, you can continue with your Google, your Apple, Microsoft, or even Slack, and click on the sign up button and you're all set. Now, in Jira, labels are a versatile tool used to categorize and organize issues. They can be helped in filtering, searching, and grouping related issues across projects. Now, here's how you can use labels in Jira. All you're going to do is go to the specified project that you are working on or with your team. And then you need to go to the specific issue that you are working on. And remember, when creating or editing an issue, you can add labels in the labels field. And from here, from the context fields, you have the status, the assignee, and obviously you can see the labels here. Now, if you click on the arrow, there's a lot of information that you can choose. And from here, you can simply put the default labels that you wanted. Say, for example, this is a right here. So there's a lot, all right? And if you have an issue related to a specific feature, you can add labels like a lot more to specify that, all right? And once you have done that, all you're gonna do is click on Save Changes, but you might want to click on the ellipsis here to get more information. So you have the option to move this to the top, to the bottom, up and down. And you also have this description fields. When you click on it, you would be able to add more information. All right. You can also put a required button here if you wanted. And you can add more information as you go along the way. And once you are sure about that, all you're gonna do is save changes so that it'll take effect. Now, for you to be able to search labels in Jira, all right, all you're gonna do is hover down to the upper right corner where you can see the search button right here. Now, when you do that, you have an option here at the very bottom for filter by label. All right. Now, you can select label that you wanted. Say, for example, that specific labels that you are searching for. It's that easy. Okay. Now, if by any chance you are having problems creating or navigating your labels here in Jira, say that there's a bug, glitch, or some kind of problem with you can simply access your labels here in Jira. All you're gonna do is click on the help button and you will be directed here to the contact support page, because it's happened to me in the past. Like here, if you think there's a bug and don't find the system status or known issues, raise it here. And obviously the contact support will give you more information and steps along the way on how to troubleshoot your problems searching your labels in Jira or using labels specifically in your account. And again, by effectively utilizing labels, you can enhance organization, visibility, and communication within your projects and your teammates. All right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.